In New South Wales, 70% of land is privately owned, which means that private land conservation has a really important contribution towards achieving global nature goals and Australia and New South Wales goals for biodiversity conservation. The private land conservation system complements the National Reserve system, being our system of national parks in New South Wales and Australia. So together they work hand in hand. The BCT partners with landholders to achieve real conservation outcomes on the ground. Our conservation agreements make sure that the land is protected forever. Those conservation agreements sit on the title of a property and they remain there even if the property is sold into the future. So we know that that land is protected and managed. The BCT's revolving fund offers a really exciting opportunity for donors because it enables us to amplify your impact year after year. We want to partner with donors who share our commitment to safeguarding our native wildlife, to protecting, connecting and restoring biodiversity, and creating a lasting environmental legacy.